Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can change your Apple ID password from another device. For example, not from your iPad or your iPhone, but instead from your PC, okay? Or your Android device. So basically, in order for you to go ahead and do that, you'll have to go ahead and open any browser and simply type in Apple ID, as I did, and simply click on the first link which says appleid.apple.com. And finally, once you have done that, you want to click on this sign in button or this sign in button, any of it you want right over here. Finally, once you have done that, go ahead and enter your Apple ID, the email, and then simply go ahead and enter your password and go ahead and sign in into your Apple. So it's gonna send a verification code to your phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that code real quick. And as you can see, I am successfully logged in into my Apple ID. So now, in order for me to go ahead and change the password, I want to go ahead and click on this password. Go ahead and enter my current password on the first tab, and then if I want to go ahead and change it to something else, for example, I am going to be entering the new password right over here, as you can see. And then once you have done that, you want to go ahead and confirm your new password down here. And finally, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and click on change password, and there you go. That is how you go ahead and change your password of your Apple ID from other devices. So if you thought this video was valuable for you, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you next time.